All right, guys. Hey, happy Thursday today. I've got a game for you because unfortunately the nice weather looks like it's behind us. In comes the cold for a little bit. So I have 3 different games today that you can play indoors. Now, some of you guys may have played this outdoors. We're going to transition inside today. If you guys have played cornhole or bags, as like I like to call it, I'm going to show you how you can set it up indoors. So you guys can see here, I have a tape shooting line, which you and your partner have to stand behind to throw on. Over here is our makeshift cornhole board, all made out of using tape. Okay? Now I'm going to assume that you guys don't have bean bags. If you do, great, use your bean bags. If you don't, what's our favorite thing to use here? Rolled up socks. Okay? So this is a one-on-one game, so you'll need a partner for this. And what you want to do, guys, you want to make sure you have 2 different colored pairs of socks. So you notice I have 4 black pairs of socks, 4 white pairs of socks. Okay, there'll be one person who uses all the black socks, one uses the white. When you play, you have to stand behind the shooting line. You have to throw it underhand. You can't throw overhand. All right, and you're going to alternate turns with your partner. So if I'm the first one to throw, I'm going to throw it, trying to land it inside the board down here. Okay, now if I land it, oh, see, I didn't make it in, so then my partner would go. I'm going to demonstrate as if I had a partner. Okay, next person would throw. If you land it on the line, now see, it's touching the line, so we're going to count that there. On the line or inside this part of the box, any part of the box, it's worth 1 point. If you make it on the line or inside here, it's worth 3 points. Okay, so you alternate turns, you leave them out there. Okay, so next person goes. All right, now, since this was on the 1 to start, and the other partner scored a 1, they cancel each other out. So we're at 0 right now. Okay? You play alternating turns till all of them are thrown out there. All right. We're going to keep finishing off here.
And if you don't have a partner, you can play against yourself.
As demonstrated. All right. So what you do, guys, you have to keep track of your points for that. Okay, so let's take a look down here. We've got, this is on the line, 1, 2, 3 for the person with black socks. 1, 2, 3 for the person with white socks. This isn't on the line. So they would cancel it out. Nobody gets points. Let's say that this sock landed in here. So we would count out the points. 1, 2, 3 for the black socks. Remember, in here is worth 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. So the person with white socks scored 6. The person with the black socks scored 3. Okay, you cancel out. So that means the person with black socks, since they only have 3, they do not get any points. And since the person with white socks scored 6, they get 3 points. It's 6 to 3. You subtract the 3 from that, you get 3 points. Okay, so you cancel each other out depending on how many points you score. All right, and now if you're having a hard time keeping score that way, don't worry about it. Just add up the points you score each round. So in that case, if you're not playing the cancellation method, okay, it would be 3, 4, 5, 6 for the person with white socks, 1, 2, 3 points for the person with black socks. Okay, you're going to play till somebody gets to 21. When you get to 21, that person wins. All right, so that is cornhole toss for this. I'm going to show you one more quick game that you can also do inside. This is called bocce ball. Some of you guys may have played this outdoors as well, but we're going to modify it a little bit to make it challenging, yet still fun inside. Okay, all you need is 2 tennis balls, or any kind of ball will work for this, guys. All right, so I'm going to pretend my partner right there has a ball. I'm going to go first, okay? You take turns. You're going to roll your tennis ball, trying to get it. Oh, see, I didn't quite get it. You want to get your ball to land inside this box, okay? If you get it inside this box, that's good. and you want to see who can get the closest without going inside the small box. So it's got to land in here, and okay, let's see, the ball goes there. Next person's turn. Roll it. Oh, now see, it's not inside the big box. All right, so the person who rolled this ball would win. Now let's say the ball rolled and it landed in here. Can't do that, this person wins. It's whoever gets the closest to the small box without going in, but you also have to make sure it lands inside this big box. Okay? Now, if you are the person who's the closest without being inside here, you get 1 point. Just go grab your ball. You'll roll them again. First person to score 10 points wins. All right? And then the last version of this game, guys, if you, now, be careful, make sure it's okay with mom or dad or whoever's watching you to do this, but you could play what's called shoe bocce. Okay, this is one of me and Mr. Hall's favorite games from college. What you'll do is you'll put on one shoe, so it's kind of hanging off your foot like this. Flip-flops work best. And you're going to play the same game as we did with the tennis balls, except you're going to kick your shoe. Oh, that was a really good shot. And you're going to try and land it without going inside the little square. Okay, it's my partner's turn. Okay, mine is in there and it's closer, so I would get the point. Okay, guys? All right, I hope this is not too confusing for you. You can modify it however you want to. You can score however you want to. This is just an idea for some games you can do inside. All right, see you guys later. Have a great week.